we have been discussing about the electrochemistry. In the electrochemistry, we have discussed about the electrolysis. In this video, let us discuss about the what is electrode potential. So what is an electrode potential, what is an oxidation potential, what is a reduction potential, and what is standard oxidation potential, and what is standard reduction potential. And let us discuss about the electrochemical series. These are the very important things. Let us get into the details. Thing is, electrode potential. What is this electrode potential and how we can measure this electrode potential, and what are the important things regarding this electrode potential? See, whenever you take a metal, this is a metal, and you are dipping the metal in electrolytic solution having same metal ion. Whenever a metal dipped in an electrolytic solution having the same metal ion, like copper dissolved in copper sulfate solution which is having Cu2 plus ion. Zinc is the metal kept in a zinc sulfate solution having Zn2 plus ion. Iron is a rod which is dipped in the iron sulfate solution having the plus 2 ion. Like that, whenever you take a metal and dip it in an electrolytic solution having the same metal ion. So whenever you keep any metal in an electrolytic solution having the same metal ion. Let us take zinc rod and dip the zinc rod in the zinc sulfate solution. So whenever a metal is dipped in electrolytic solution having the same metal ion, some potential difference arises. Some potential difference arises between the surface of electrode and the surrounding electrolyte. Some potential difference arises between the surface of the electrode and surrounding electrolyte. That potential difference is known as the electrode potential. So whenever a metal dipped in electrolytic solution having the same metal ion, some potential difference arises between the surface of electrode and the surrounding electrolyte. That potential difference between them is known as the electrode potential. If the concentration of the solution is 1 molar and temperature is equals to 25 degrees centigrade, then we call it as standard electrode potential. Don't think that standard conditions means it will be STP conditions. Whenever the metal dipped in electrolytic solution having the same metal ion having 1 molar concentration and at room temperature, then that electrode potential is known as the standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. So see carefully, electrode potential means we will use the symbol E. Standard electrode potential means we will use symbol E0. Now the real game starts. What is electrode reduction potential and what is oxidation potential? These are very important thing for us. Two electrode potentials are there. Oxidation electrode potential and reduction electrode potential. This is very important thing. What is oxidation electrode potential and what is reduction electrode potential? So see, what is oxidation electrode potential means, whenever a metal dipped in electrolytic solution having the same metal ion, and if the metal is undergoing oxidation reaction and if the metal is undergoing the oxidation reaction. Whenever it is undergoing oxidation reaction, it liberates the electrons. The liberated electrons will occupy the electrode and the released cations will surround the electrode. So the liberated electrons will occupy the electrode and the released cations will surround the electrode, and the potential difference is known as the oxidation electrode potential. So electrode potential because of oxidation reaction is called as the oxidation electrode potential. In oxidation electrode potential, why the electrode will be negatively charged? If you take any electrode where oxidation takes place, especially in the electrochemical cell, that I will explain after this thing. So that time that potential difference is known as oxidation electrode potential. If the concentration of the solution is 1 molar, then it is standard oxidation potential. Always oxidation potential is represented as Em/Mn plus. What is meaning of Em/Mn plus means this is the starting material and this is product. That's why we mention like this. You can represent it as EeCuCu2 plus EZnZn2 plus. Welcome. And standard oxidation potential means E0Zn/Zn2 plus E0Cu/Cu2 plus will come. You should be very careful in understanding these things. So whenever you take a metal and dip it in electrolytic solution having same metal ion, some potential difference arises between the surface of electrode and surrounding electrolyte, and that potential difference is known as the electrode potential. If the electrode potential is arised because of the oxidation reaction, then we call it as the oxidation electrode potential. Let us see reduction electrode potential. When you take an electrolytic solution and dip an electrode in the ionic solution. So whenever you dip it in the solution, it undergo reduction means Mn plus n electrons gives Em will come. In this case, the cations will occupy the electrode and the anions will surround the electrode. So that's why whenever the negative charge is surrounding the electrolyte and this is occupying this one, this will be positively charged. So the reduction reaction. Because of reduction reaction, the potential difference arised is known as the reduction electrode potential. If you can see here, ECu2 plus /Cu, EZn2 plus /Zn will come. What is the standard reduction potential means? Standard reduction potential is E0Mn plus /M will come. That is E0Zn2 plus /Zn, E0Cu2 plus /Cu will come. Like this we can understand and we can identify what is an electrode potential and the things regarding the electrode potential. This is the basic things you should know before understanding this electrode potential. Every student will be having confusion in this case. So whenever you take any electrode and keep that in the electrolytic solution, the potential difference is electrode potential. If that potential is because of oxidation reaction, it is oxidation potential. Electrolytic solution concentration is 1 molar means it is standard oxidation potential. When the electrode dipped in electrolytic solution because of reduction reaction, potential difference arises means that is known as the reduction electrode potential. And if the solution is of 1 molar and the temperature is room temperature, then it is known as the standard reduction potential, E0 value and then E value. Always remember oxidation potential is equals to minus reduction potential, or E m slash mn plus is equals to mn plus slash m, or E naught m slash mn plus is equals to mn plus slash m. For any metal, oxidation potential and reduction potential both will be same in magnitude and opposite in direction will come. So this is oxidation potential and this is reduction potential. Like this, whenever you take any electrode and its electrode potentials, both will be same in the magnitude and opposite in the direction will come. Like that, we should understand the electrode potentials. Hope you understood this thing. So this is the electrode potential. So what is an electrode potential? Why the charge will be mostly oxidation takes place at the anode, that's why anode will be negatively charged, and reduction takes place at the cathode, and cathode will be positively charged in the electrochemical cell. That's why I have taken these things. Now let us see how to find the electrode potential experimentally. How to find electrode potential experimentally, and how to find electrode potential theoretically. How to find electrode potential theoretically. Now let us see the things.